Hello everyone, I'm Shivansh. I've dedicated last 1,000 odd days to obsess over Instagram. 3.5 से एक ही काम चल रहा है. How do we make people's journeys better on Instagram? Be it a creator, be it a personal brand, be it a celebrity. And trust me when I say this, after obsessing over it, after being in the trenches, in the playbooks, building 100 million followers, this is the goddamn best product I've built till date. So watch the video till the end and you'll be blown out what's happening. And this is, without wasting any time, 100x Engine 2.0 by Imperfect Labs. And today we're going to be discussing the index of it. But उससे पहले यार देखो 100x में जिन लोगों के रिजल्ट्स आए वो आप लोगों को पता है. और if you do not know, just have a look at them. स्नेहम और मैत्री, निशा, अनुराधा, निखिल, इशिता, कशिश, दीपाली and so many more that I couldn't cover here. तो वो सब तो आप कहीं भी जाके देख सकते हो. In today's video, I'm just going to cover about the index. 2.0 का गोल क्या है? द रोड मैप, द अटेंशन इंजन रोड मैप, की अपग्रेड्स रोलिंग आउट ऑन द लॉन्च प्राइस. स्टार्टिंग विद द गोल, बहुत सिंपल गोल है यार. 100x 1.0 is about helping you build a personal brand. 100x 2.0 is about ensuring that the goal has evolved and now it's about you becoming the celebrity of your niche. I want you to build raving fans. I want you, when you drop out of an airport, people come to you that my life was changed because of you. That people want to get you on all the stages around possible. I want people to get you to the podcast and whatnot. So basically the goal is become celebrity of a niche, become one in a million. I don't want you to play commoditized game. I don't want you to play red oceans. I don't want you to compete with 20-year-olds. I don't want you to compete with creators who have no skills. I want you to be able to create a mark for yourself. That's what 100x 2.0 is all about. Talking about the roadmap, ये जर्नी दिखने कैसी वाली है, इसमें होगा क्या? देखो यार, 3 ग्रोथ इंजन्स है, अटेंशन, रेवेन्यू, ब्रांड. मतलब क्या है, एक एक की अगर बात करें, पहले भीड़ इकट्ठी कर लेते हैं. एट द एंड ऑफ द डे, इफ यू डू नॉट हैव विजिटर्स, यू वुड नेवर हैव क्लाइंट्स. फनलिंग का कॉन्सेप्ट कहते हैं इसको. द टॉप फनल हैज टू बी मैक्सिमाइज्ड. देन द रेवेन्यू इंजन इज बेसिकली द बॉटम फनल. मेरे हाथ में पैसा कितना आ रहा है और वो मैं क्या मैक्सिमाइज कर पा रहा हूँ. पीपल एट 1 लाख फॉलोअर्स मेक 1 लाख रुपीज. पीपल एट 1 लाख फॉलोअर्स मेक 30, 50, 70 लाख रुपीज. Who are you? And what's the difference between a creator and an entrepreneur? And then we move on to building a brand, which is about becoming a celebrity, going multi-platform, having a presence across all places. So a creator, an entrepreneur, and a celebrity. That's what we're optimizing for. If we talk about the key milestones in them, attention engine is about सबसे पहली चीज what we'll work on is building a first million impressions. I want 10 lakh people month on month gathering outside your house trying to buy products from you. तो पहले भीड़ इकट्ठी करनी, टॉप फनल भर देना सही तरीके के लोगों से. उसके बाद कंटेंट को एक सेल्फ सस्टेनिंग लूप बनाना है. सी कंटेंट यहां से आपकी जिंदगी का एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट पहलू हिस्सा होने वाला है. So to ensure that it becomes self-sustaining, which simply means we'll have so many conversations with our customers to understand who are they, what do they want, and simply create content based on what people are asking me. And of course, selling without selling. At the end of the day, when so many things would happen now, product बिकना शुरू होगा. Just even when you would go out, speak to people, they would want to buy things from you. I want you to come to a phase wherein these things are happening. Once this is done, we move on to revenue engine. But in the first step is sales on steroids. कुछ पैसा आ रहा है, बट इस 5% को जो आ रहा है इसको 100% पे लेके जाना है. ये लाख रुपए को 50 लाख पे लेके जाना है. So we go, the first thing we do is sales on steroids. Second is fundamentals and scaling. See, money is coming in, people are here, but now we need to structure it as a business. अब वो जो creators और entrepreneur वाली चीज़ है ना, उसकी तरफ ट्रांसफर होते हुए building all the systems required, the fundamentals, the scaling, the departments, सारी चीज़ें. And then of course moving multi-platform, because I know all of you want to move multi-platform, but पहले दिन ना हम सारी चीज़ों पे काम नहीं करते. So towards the end of revenue engine, when the money would be coming, the business would be setting up, your focus would be how do I distribute myself more across the social medias. Now once you become an entrepreneur, all those things are set. ना अब चल रहे हैं celebrity वाली रोड पे. तो क्या टाइम लगेगा, ऐसा नहीं है कि कल बन जाएंगे. सबसे पहले होगा brand architecture and mapping. See, you would have gone and posted at different places, but हर प्लेटफॉर्म का एक एजेंडा होना जरूरी है. एक ब्रांड का ब्रांड बुक, आर्किटेक्चर, मैपिंग, ये सारी चीज हम बिल्ड करेंगे. मूविंग ऑन टू डोमिनेटिंग द गॉड डैम कैटेगरी एंड ऑफ कोर्स बिकमिंग सेलिब्रिटी ऑफ आवर निश. That's how it would look like. Now I know a lot of you thinking, but okay, how do we start? What are the logistical steps? So this is what we'll talk about in the attention engine roadmap. Once you come inside, you're welcome to the 100x club and it's going to be a fucking awesome ride, trust me. But now, as soon as you're inside, you'll first get an onboarding input. When you fill that up, it's a lot of introspective exercise. You move on to a boiler room wherein we set the macros of the brand on how do we move forward, what's the BOS and how do we take it ahead. Moving on to the war room call, ensuring all the logistical obstacles are sorted. That the map is set, but now the road, the terrain, the windshields, the tires, everything else is set. Basically, आपको shoot करते हुए कोई भी problem नहीं आना चाहिए from ideation to execution, and it should be shortened out as much as possible. Moving on to 1% betterment. As the name suggests, we don't want to do 100 things. Week on week, we want to resolve one thing. We want to create one goddamn delta that your virality engineer would sit down and create with you. Basically, someone looking at your content pieces and telling you what to do, what not to do, what's working, what's not working, removing all the ambiguity across the 3 stages. And then, of course, moving on to 100x amplifiers so that you just not learn in the silo with us, but you learn with the rest of the rest of the community, and see and meet people who gain 10k, 50k, 100k, 500k followers. Moving on to leveraging the circle. What does that mean? ये अगर आप 100x का हिस्सा आपको already पता होगा, because it's the community, it's the people that you're a part of, and of course resulting in millions of intentional impressions consistently. That's what intention engine looks like. कि यार सही लोग consistently आ रहे हैं, ये चीज़ हम लोगों को यहाँ पे build करनी है. ये समझ में आ गया. नाउ लेट्स टॉक अबाउट 2.0 की अपग्रेड्स. देखो यार बहुत सारे अपग्रेड्स हो चुके हैं अक्रॉस द लास्ट 1 क्वार्टर. वी ऑलरेडी रीच्ड अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स. तो आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट दोस 100 थिंग्स. आई एम गोना टॉक अबाउट द की थिंग्स दैट मैटर्स द मोस्ट टू एनीवन हु इज वाचिंग दिस राइट नाउ. Number 1 is we have a private club on school now. We launched this almost 2 months ago. It's time that we finally scale it up. Basically, the agenda of a club is like literally how a club operates. You can do collabs, you can make friendships, you can get opportunities. A lot more things are going to happen here. Moving on to infinite growth loop. See, there's a consistent thing that people feel जब growth आ रहा होता है कि I want to do more things in a more creative way. जब वो नहीं आ रहा होता है तो result consistently चाहिए होता है और दोनों के बीच में ना back and forth चलता रहता है. So now we create 2 kinds of content. This table, all of you are a part of 100x already know that we're creating half of the reels in an engineered way, half of the things in a creative outlet way, ताकि result भी आता रहे और कुछ crazy चीज़ें भी करते रह सके हम. Moving on to faster feedbacks. यार पहले we used to wait for those weekly calls. अब वो वाली चीज़ नहीं कर रहे हैं. The team is set. You get a team of 3 people along with more experts coming into the picture with a clear tat of 12 to 36 hours. Basically, you would get a response within 12 to 36 hours. Office hours log हो चुके so that you know when to reach out, when not to reach out. और आपको reach out करने की ज़रूरत ही नहीं है. Now it's an action. Now it's an how do we call this? रिएक्शन नहीं है, एक्शन है. बेसिकली आपको जरूरत ही नहीं पड़ेगी वीडियो कॉल्स बुक करने की, उससे पहले ही आपके पास फीडबैक्स आ जाएंगे. राइट. मूविंग ऑन टू एम्पलीफायर्स. सो मेनी थिंग्स यार. वायरल आर विद संकेत.
Yeah, I just want to take a moment, Sanket, to really appreciate the 2 sessions that we've had. हमारा one-on-one interaction नहीं हुआ है, but based on this session that we've had, I think I see very beautiful growth on my page already. I just implemented, I think, the 2 things, the text hook, which I did not know that matters so much, and the second was the motion hook जो आपने बोला था. Like you just enter, maybe you sit down, you stand up. Just these 2. I think all this while, if you see my page also, I've never crossed 3,000, 4,000 views. And in the reel which I posted, I think 4 days back, it has crossed 18,000 already. And I've got 15 more viewers, and I'm so happy, so happy.
4,000 से 18,000 व्यूज एक छोटे से कॉन्सेप्ट से सुन के लग रहा होगा ये क्या फीडबैक है. सी दैट्स द पावर ऑफ व्हाट वी डू हियर. वी डोंट लाइक टू टॉक बिग, वी वांट टू एग्जीक्यूट बिग, वी वांट टू प्रूव बिग. ठीक है. एंड ऑफ कोर्स ऑल द पीपल यू कैन सी हंड्रेड्स ऑफ पीपल ऑन द स्क्रीन. सो वायरल आर विद संकेत, हैप्पी आर विद शिवांश, फ्रंट रो सेशंस, 100x प्रोफाइल रिव्यूज. So many things happening now. Moving on to covering more time zones. This is the biggest thing we've nailed right now. I'm so fortunate I have people from 10 different countries, literally the biggest experts, doctors, entrepreneurs, fashion experts. इतने सारे अलग अलग कई कैटेगरीज तो मुझे पता भी नहीं थी एग्जिस्ट करती हैं. फ्रॉम न्यूजीलैंड टू ऑस्ट्रेलिया, फ्रॉम दुबई टू पाकिस्तान, फ्रॉम इंडिया टू और कौन कौन सी कंट्रीज थी, एक्साइटमेंट में भूल गया मैं, बट सो मेनी ऑफ देम यार. सो द आइडिया इज वी आर नाउ एबल टू कवर 10 डिफरेंट टाइम जोन्स सीमलेसली. मूविंग ऑन टू व्हाट्स ऑल गेटिंग रोलिंग आउट. 2-3 चीज़ें और अभी चल रही हैं जो 2.0 का ही हिस्सा है. Hard and chill accountability. We've already asked all of our people, if you're watching, if you're a 100x member, but इसके ऊपर accountability का मजा तब है जब consequences और incentives जुड़े हुए हो. So we're gonna gamify it as we move forward in the coming week. Fast track onboarding, I know it already feels like already इतने ज़्यादा result इतनी तेजी से आ रहे हैं, but I want it to be faster. I want it to be on steroids. So fast track onboarding, and of course more experts coming into the game as we require. Moving on to what's the launch price. I know this is what you've been waiting for. यार लॉन्च प्राइस ना, पहले मैं 1.0 से बात शुरू करता हूँ. 1.0 when I launched, I had an intention of launching it at 3,60,000 rupees. बट समहाउ आई फेल दैट इससे नहीं शुरू करेंगे. ऑलवेज से कि एक इंटेंशनल प्राइस और जहां से शुरू करेंगे उसके बीच में फर्क होता है. दैट्स अ बिग इनफ डिफरेंस. I started this with 1,20,000 rupees. 100x engine 1.0. The first person who came in was 1,20,000. On 15th May 2025, that's when we launched it. यहाँ से हम 6 से 7 महीने में, by the end of 31st December, we were at 3,60,000 rupees. A 3x jump. You will not hear this anywhere. And you might think, ऐसा क्यों क्या? यार देखो बहुत सिंपल है. Anyone who choose to become a part of me today is becoming an early adopter, is betting on me. जितना जितना रिजल्ट बढ़ता जाएगा उतना हर कोई आना चाहता है. जितना जितना रिजल्ट बढ़ता जाएगा, जितना टाइम लगता जाएगा, सिस्टम्स और क्लियर होते जाएंगे. सो एट द एंड ऑफ द डे, इफ यू चूजिंग टू ऑन बोर्ड एंड गेट एक्सेस टू दीज अर्ली ऑन, I want you to get that incentive and benefit, and the same is going to go and look for 2.0. So 100x 2.0 essentially, and if you look at it, this is हमारा goal बहुत simple था. 3,60,000 came in was, we want to price it at a way wherein any intern or a strategist you would find in the market today would cost you 40,000 a month. We wanted to price 25% less than that. So 30,000 a month became our benchmark. यहाँ पे हम चलते हैं in which you will get an entire team. So the value proposition and offering should be bizarre. कि सोच के ऐसा लगा कि फक मैं लाखों करोड़ रुपए बना सकता हूँ सिर्फ इतना सा पैसा देके. That's the same thing with 100x 2.0. So the intention is 12 lakh rupees. But of course, that's not today. So, drum rolls, guys. If you're stuck till here and you're trying to look for the launch price, it's 5,50,000 only. On 1st of July, as I sit here, as I tell you, of course, we're going to grow it over the time. But in this 5,50,000, you get this insane ROI that you saw the kind of results. And any smart person know कि यार ये ROI तो 6 महीने में बहुत easily निकल सकता है. And yes, that's the entire year pricing, just like 100x 1.0, and just like all these people, from Sneham going from, I think she's at 46,000 followers now, from 12,000 to 48,000 followers, from Maitri, हमने पीछे एक वीडियो भी देखा, Nisha, Anuradha, fashion, doctor, real estate, self-help, anything and everything. ये सारी जर्नी आप भी ले सकते हो, आप भी हिस्सा बन सकते हो. And at the end, I'll only say one thing. See, I know if you're watching this, you might be thinking, hey, is it worth it? Should I do? I was not expecting this investment. See, we any which ways invest a lot of money, a lot of time, a lot of effort. If you try to quantify it, वो बहुत सारा है. The end goal that you need to see, you can definitely do this by yourself. And trust me, you can do that. Even if you do not feel you can do that, I feel that. But वो समय कितना लगना है? क्या वो समय हम साथ में रिड्यूस कर सकते हैं? क्या उतने ही समय में और उतना ज़्यादा पैसा बना सकते हैं? कैसे हम इसको एक इन्वेस्टमेंट बना सकते हैं, एक एक्सपेंस नहीं? नॉट जस्ट इन्वेस्टिंग इन इक्विपमेंट्स एंड व्हाट नॉट, बट एक्चुअली इन्वेस्टिंग इन योर ओन ग्रोथ, एक्चुअली इन्वेस्टिंग इन योर एक्सपर्टीज. जैसे आपने 10, 20, 30, 40 साल लगाए होंगे एक एक्सपर्टीज गेन करने के लिए. नाउ इफ समवन वांट्स टू वॉक दैट राइड एंड इफ यू हेल्प देम, दे वुड एक्सेलरेट इमेंसली. वो सेम चीज़ यहाँ हो सकती है. तो टाइम, मनी, एफर्ट, ROI बहुत चीज़ों से निकलता है. आपको ये देखना है आपको ज़िंदगी कब बदलनी है. इट्स नॉट अ क्वेश्चन फॉर मी, इट्स अ क्वेश्चन फॉर यू दैट आर यू रेडी टू फाइनली take that leap that you've always wanted to. Because if you are, then as I always say, let's fucking go!